With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, so let's start with the question, and the question says that if minimum value of term free from x for x upon sine theta plus 1 upon x cos theta whole to the power 16 is L1 in the domain given is pi by 8 to pi by 4 and L2 in pi by 16 to pi by 8, then L2 by L1. Okay, we have to calculate L2 by L1. So let's start. Now we know the general term for binomial expansion TR plus 1 is equal to NCR x to the power n minus r into y to the power r. Okay, so if we apply it in this one, so n is equals to 16. So 16 CR into x upon sine theta to the power 16 minus r into 1 upon x cos theta to the power r. Okay, now we want that this should be free from x. Okay, when will it be free from x? If 16 minus r is equals to r. Okay, or you can say that 16 minus r, this here it is x to the power minus r, so 16 minus r is equals to, if it becomes 0, then x to the power 0 will be 1 only. So from here we get 2r is equals to 16 or r is equals to 8. Okay, so now if we put it in the expression, we get T9 is equals to 16 C8 1 upon sine theta to the power 8 into 1 upon cos theta to the power 8. Now this is equal to 16 C8 1 upon sine theta cos theta whole to the power 8. Now if we divide and multiply by 2 to the power 8 in the numerator and denominator, what do we get? T9 is equals to 16 C8 into 2 to the power 8 upon 2 sine theta cos theta to the power 8. So this becomes 16 C8 into 2 to the power 8 upon sine 2 theta whole to the power 8. Okay. Now this is the final T9. Now let's write this. T9 is equals to 16 C8 into 2 to the power 8 upon sine 2 theta to the power 8. Now sine 2 theta. Now we have to calculate L1. So L1 is given in pi by 8 to pi by 4. Now we see that sine 2 theta is in the denominator. Now if you want to minimize this term, okay, so we will go for the upper limit of pi by 8 to pi by 4 because it is increasing in this domain. Pi by 8 to pi by 4, sine 2 theta increases in this domain. So we will go for the larger value of theta, that is pi by 4, or the upper limit of this interval pi by 4, because we have to put it in the denominator, and if the denominator increases, then this term as a whole will decrease. It will be L1. So L1 is equals to 16 C8. Now here we are putting theta is equals to pi by 4. So 16 C8 into 2 to the power 8 and sine 2 into pi by 4 will be sine pi by 2, and sine pi by 2 is 1 only. So this will be 1 to the power pi by 8, or 16 C8 into 2 to the power 8. Okay. Now for L2, again in the interval pi by 16 to pi by 8, it is an increasing function. So we will take theta is equals to pi by 8 for L2. So if we take theta is equals to pi by 8, we get L2 is equals to 16 C8 into 2 to the power 8, and if we put theta pi by 8, so this becomes sine pi by 4, which is 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 to the power 8. So this is equal to 16 C8 into 2 to the power 8, and this, if we do 1 upon root 2 to the power 8 will be 1 upon 2 to the power 4, and this will come in the numerator, so this becomes 2 to the power 4. Now we have to calculate L2 by L1. So L2 is equal to 16C8 into 2 to the power 8 into 2 to the power 4, and L1 is 16C8 into 2 to the power 8. So this and this goes off. So we are left with L2 by L1 is equals to 2 to the power 4, which is equal to 16. So 16 is the final answer. I hope you get it. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.